Assalamu alaikum class 5. I am your computer teacher Mehak Nazir. We were studying this book Oxford Keyboard. We were on chapter number 2, data devices. Open your books. Page number 13. We have done input devices and output devices visual display unit. Now we will study today printer. What is printer? A printer is an output device that prints paper documents. The documents include text, images, or a combination of both. They are saying that paper जो है वो ये टेक्स्ट भी उसमें इंक्लूड हो सकता है और इमेजेस लाइक इन दिस पेज खाली टेक्स्ट भी हो सकता है और इमेजेस भी हो सकते हैं ये हमारी अपनी मर्जी है व्हाट वी हैव टू प्रिंट द टू मोस्ट कॉमन प्रिंटर आर inkjet and laser printer. Nowadays they are used commonly. What are they? We will study later in this lecture. Now we have studied in our last lecture about soft copy. What is that? The output we get on a monitor, it is called soft copy. Here we will study about hard copy. What is that? The printed output on a paper, it is called hard copy. Now we can differentiate between both of them. The output on a monitor, it is called soft copy, and output on a paper is called hard copy. Now in order to print a document, data must be sent from the computer to the printer. We have to give the command. तो वो फिर कंप्यूटर डाटा सेंड करता है प्रिंटर पे और फिर हमारे पास प्रिंट आउट फॉर्म निकल आती है. Now printer vary in size, speed, sophistication and cost. Obviously जब डिफरेंट प्रिंटर्स होते हैं हर एक की साइज भी डिफरेंट होता है हर पेपर का और उसकी जो प्रिंट आउट फॉर्म होती है वो भी डिफरेंट होती है. दिस इज डिपेंड अपॉन their different types of printers. We will study now types of printer. Those are impact printers and non-impact printers. Impact printers, they work something like an automatic typewriter with a key and inked impression on paper for each printed character. Here characters, they are printed letter by letter. This means that there is mechanical contact between the print head and the paper. For example, dot matrix and daisy wheel. Line printers are also examples of impact printers. As you have seen before about typewriter, उसमें जो character by character प्रिंट होता है लेटर वो पूरा जो हमारा लेटर है वो हम लोग लेटर बाय लेटर प्रिंट करते हैं और फिर हमारा सेंटेंस कंप्लीट होता है एंड इट इज सेम एज आई हैव यू हैव स्टडीड बिफोर अबाउट डॉट मैट्रिक्स. डॉट मैट्रिक्स इज अ न्यू फॉर्म ऑफ टाइपराइटर as it is a low-cost personal computer printer. It is an impact printer that strikes the paper line at a time. Right? It contains a number of pins arranged vertically. It can print multiple carbon copies. It is used for printing bills. जो bills आते हैं आपने उस पे देखा होगा कि वो उसी इस तरह की प्रिंटिंग नहीं होती उसकी थोड़ी डिफरेंट प्रिंटिंग है. And it is nowadays it is replaced by non-impact printers. I will explain you non-impact printers in my next lecture. This is all for today. Hope you understand. Now you will do all questions related to this topic. This is all. Allah Hafiz.